I don't think we'll get too much into the issue about whether or not he had the capacity. The question is what was in his mind at the moment he did what he did. And if his mind was thinking about ideology, if his mind was thinking about, I want to go out and intimidate a segment of the population, that's what the Crown needs to prove in order to get to terrorism. All we have to do is show a reasonable doubt. This is what's an aggravating factor on sentence. The criminal code and the case law is very clear that the Crown has to prove terrorism beyond a reasonable doubt. So, we don't have to prove anything. All we have to do is try and shed doubt. So the arguments are going to be really, the Crown's going to lead up or make submissions on what they believe are aggravating factors. We'll make submissions on what we believe are some mitigating factors in this case. And that's all factors or part of Justice Pomerantz's analysis on the, he knows what sentence he's going to get. We all do on the first degree murder convictions. This is all about the attempted murder conviction. And the Crown's asking for life. We'll be asking for something less than life. And those are all factors for her to consider. No matter what he gets on the attempted murder charge or conviction at this point, he's going to receive the same sentence. So the sentence will be life imprisonment without parole for 25 years. The terrorism designation can be significant, and where you'll see that it's significant is if and when he applies for parole in 25 years. That'll be a factor for the parole board to consider, and I'm sure they will. Another aspect is it could impact on what sort of programming and treatment he's getting while he's. There's not much case law in the area, so there are some cases in the context of guilty pleas, but in terms of the tests to be worked out, there's really not much case law on it. So what the issue is going to be here is this is going to be precedent setting, and cases in the future when they're determining whether or not it's terrorist activity, they'll look back on Justice Pomerantz's decision for some guidance.